Hey, welcome to the basement and a mini-sode for Targeted Instruction Day. Here's what I want you to be working on while you're not in class. It's time to do the next chapter for the other Wes Moore, the card game. It is the second chapter, which is called In Search of Home. I also do a small lesson after this title screen is done for a student who asked how to cite one of their sources when it was seemingly difficult to plug it into a citation generator. So I go over how to do that. It's certainly what I've been noticing most in your outlines and drafts so far is a lack of in-text parenthetical citation. So if knowing how to make the full citation is what's holding you up, here's a little description of how to do it. Okay, let's build a citation from scratch when we end up with a definitely useful resource, but no clear way for how to automatically have it done. Because you're right, it's not a website. It is an uploaded copy of a document, and now it exists as a PDF file. So I'm still going to use MyBib to help me, but I just have to do a lot more work. I'm going to go to More, right, all the way at the end, because it's not a website. I'm going to go to More, and I'm going to call it a report. All right, that feels like the best description of what it is, because it looks like it's a copy of an archived announcement from the Native American Rights Fund. All right, so we are going to fill out as much as we can. We look, does this report have an author? And I am looking closely in here to see if any of these individuals are highlighted as maybe PR or the writer of this document, and I am not seeing anything that I am really comfortable with, so I am going to change this to organization mode and say that the author is the Native American Rights Fund. The title of the report is We Also Have a Religion, the American Indian Religious Freedom Act, and the Religious Freedom Project of the Native American Rights Fund. All right, cool. Date published. We have winter 1979. So how about that? We can put in 1979. Page range. If you were going to select only part of the report because you didn't read the whole thing and you only researched some of it, you could choose just some of the pages. But for our purposes here today, this is going to be fine. If you made it this far, you're already doing plenty. It is accessible online, and it's available online at the narf.org website, which is right up here. This is the URL. And I'm going to say that the website name is NARF. And this would have to be your personal information, but I will put in my information, which is today, 2020-04-14. Publishers sometimes group their publications into prints, and I think the publisher here is going to be the organization that we're already in, so I'm going to skip this. I think I am done, right? So if I put narf again, then I think we'd end up with, we end up with like an extra at this point. At this point, we've done our job because they already appear here. I don't know if you noticed it. This whole time, a preview has been built here. Save. And I happen to be operating this for the first time on this computer, so it's trying to help me. There you go. Not only is it your full text citation for your works cited page, but your in-text citation provided for you.